Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I am going to be preparing Jamaican roast fish in my kitchen, so keep on watching. I will be using fresh calaloo for this recipe. If you cannot get the fresh calaloo, then you can use the one in the can or the one in the pack. I will be using some minced garlic, some carrots, I cut them in strips, thyme, tomatoes, okra, some diced onions, yellow peppers, red sweet peppers, and green sweet peppers. You can use whichever season you like, but these are the ones that I will be using. Now I am going to saute my veggies. So I will be adding 2 tablespoons of butter into the pot. After it has been melted, I am going to add my onions. Let it saute for a few seconds. Then I'm going to add my minced garlic.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today.
Add the carrots. All the ingredients will be listed in the description box. Now I'm adding the okra. Add the rest of the vegetables, then you're going to let it saute for about 2 minutes before you add the calaloo. So what I am doing now is to combine the sauteed vegetables with the calaloo. I am adding 1 vegetable cube. You can add whichever season of your choice. These are the ones that I will be using. Half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I am just sauteing the calaloo in the pot for a few minutes so that it can be partially cooked. Now I am removing the thyme from the pot. The last ingredient I will be adding is a small piece of scotch bonnet pepper. Mine is very hot. At this point, the calaloo is finished. So what I'm going to do now is to put out the flame and allow it to cool completely before I add it into the fish. So guys, remember you can't put the hot calaloo in the fish. I will be using 2 big fish for this recipe. It's best to use this size fish. As you know guys, we're going to stuff it with calaloo. So the bigger the fish is, the more calaloo you can add into it. As you can see, my fish is clean. I descale it. I clean the inside, and I also wash it in some white vinegar. Also, I made some slits on them. I will be applying butter on the foil. What I did with the foil, I doubled it. So after I apply the butter all over the foil, then I am going to place my fish on it. The reason I am applying the butter is that when I place the fish on it, it will not stick to the foil. Also, while the fish is roasting, the butter will melt and it will flavor the fish. Now I am applying butter on the fish. Also, I will apply the butter inside of the fish. The side that I placed down on the foil, I will not apply any butter because remember the butter is on the foil paper already. This has a combination of all-purpose seasoning, fish seasoning, black pepper, and red pepper. You can also use paprika to give it the extra color. So now I am applying it on the fish. I will also add it in the crevice and inside of the fish. So guys, ensure that you spend enough time to season your fish so that when it is all roasted, it will taste immaculate. I am finished seasoning the fish, so now I am going to stuff it with the calaloo filling. After I am finished adding the stuffing, I am going to seal it with the foil. So I am going to place one end on top of the other. So while you're doing it, ensure that you press on it so that it will seal properly, so that all the juices while it is roasting will stay inside of the foil. So now I am going to fold the opposite ends a few times. I am going to show you another way in which you could add the stuffing. So if you know someone who likes the calaloo, a lot of calaloo, or you are that type of person, then you could add some on the foil first, then you add the fish on top of it. Afterwards you're going to stuff inside of the fish. I am going to place them on a wire rack I preheated my oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. I am going to let them bake for 30 to 40 minutes. So guys, my fish, it is bursting with a lot of flavor and I know it's delicious. So if you do try this recipe, please give me your feedback. Guys, so my fish is all roasted. It smells so good, guys. If you enjoy this recipe, please remember to thumbs up this video as it helps with the YouTube algorithm. Also, if you are new here, a special welcome to you. Please remember to tap the subscribe button before leaving. Also, please do share with your friends, tell them about various recipes. Be free to comment as it makes me feel elated when you do. So guys, thanks for watching and please do come again.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact